Hey Libra, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a reading based on your soulmate connection for all that you need to know from now until the end of the month. Your person's feelings, intentions, energy, what to expect, what not to, and where things are possibly going to be going till the 30th of the month. Okay, so yeah, let's start. First we take your cards and then we move to your person. I'm really sorry for keeping you guys waiting. Had some situation going. So yeah, let's start. One card, what's your overall energy going to be like? It's going to be for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. Okay. However, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take what resonates, leave the rest. Okay. You guys are manifesting something. Okay. I don't really see you waiting for someone or crying for someone or dying for someone. I rather see you guys manifesting something. Sure, there are a couple of you guys who might be still crying and waiting, but that is a different story. But majorly, most Libras I see are trying to manifest something new or possibly trying to manifest something they deserve. Okay. Top card we have Queen of Wands. So I see you guys being in a good mood. If it's not your current energy, then I see it happening in the next couple of days or weeks. Okay. Since tarot is energy, things might happen in the next couple of days if it hasn't happened yet. Okay, so I see you guys being in a good mood, doing what you love, and possibly being passionate about life and your work and your business and money and looks and everything. Okay, in terms of what to expect for the next couple of weeks. Okay, someone has been trying to piss you off. I do not know who exactly. It could be a lover, it could be an ex, it could be a or like a business partner, or it could just be a sibling. Okay, but whatever it is, you have taken a step back, but someone may be trying to get your attention in the wrong ways. If it's not a like fighting and crying and dying. Okay, with top card with Nine of Cups, I think you're enjoying it. Whatever it is, you're enjoying it. Like if someone is trying hard to get your attention, you're kind of enjoying it. If someone is pissing you off, for some reason you're enjoying it. Okay, one more card in terms of what to expect for the next couple of days. The Chariot card, overall, I see things moving forward. Okay, sorry. Overall, I see things moving forward in your life. Okay, howsoever, there might still be like certain someone who can get your, you know, little agitated and a little mad. But I see majorly things going well for you. In terms of business, I see things going smoothly. Okay, if you felt stuck or miserable or felt like there's nothing much in life and all that sort of bullshit, then I see you being much more optimistic, much more positive, and looking forward towards life, like moving forward. Some of you guys might be having traveling plans like coming up in the next 7 to 8 days. If you haven't planned, I see you guys planning something or wanting to go out or wanting to enjoy. Or for some of you, you might be also planning like a alone vacation. Like a road trip or something like that. Okay, like pampering yourself. With Two of Wands, many of you guys are looking forward to something new in your life. I do not think you're much affected by the past. Okay, in terms of your soulmate connection, what's the overall energy going to be like? Okay, soulmate connection, things are like toxic. I won't say that you are addicted and attached and obsessed and mad. No, I'd say that you guys might be trying to find a way out or staying away, if not quit. Like you guys are trying to stay away from the toxic and drama. But overall, I see things going well for you. In terms of relationship, howsoever, suddenly you might be getting that urge of having some sexual intimacy with your person. If not your person, with someone. Okay, I do not know who, but yeah. I also see some of you guys wanting to plan something sexual. Okay, you guys are in that mood, in that zone. Even if you guys have had a fallout with your person on an emotional ground, that sexual ground, you might still be open for dumb doom. Okay, so yes, in terms of your person's energy, what's the energy going to be like? Libra soulmate next 7 to 8 days. Your person is silent. Even if they're communicating, they're just being very much like calculative in terms of what they have to say, how they have to say, how they have to react. So majorly being very practical and boring. Okay, with High Priestess, this person might also be hiding certain secrets from you. Okay, being very much secretive, Top card we have Emperor, so not really doing much, saying much, nothing much happening in terms of their energy towards you now. Whoa. We have the Three of Swords. Why is the Three of Swords here? They are heartbroken that you are not around them, that you have got distant, or you have uh, possibly been behaving like a, how do I put it? I do not want to say that word, but you guys have been behaving detached. Okay, like you guys are behaving unbothered, like fuck off. Like, I don't give a damn. Okay, but your person is heartbroken that you are not around, or you are not giving them that attention, that devotion that you guys once did. Okay, in terms of how they're thinking about you now. Knight of Pentacles. Howsoever, even if they miss you and they're crying and dying without you, they are not taking that action, they are not putting in that effort, they are still being stagnant, boring, and detached. Okay, Knight of Pentacles is a card that is not really going anywhere, it is just lost. Okay, they want to, but they are not. Okay, that's the energy. One card for their current feelings towards you, Libra. Current feelings, we have Seven of Pentacles. For many of you, they could have messaged you or DM'd you, or sent you something that they were waiting for a reaction, but you haven't really reacted, and they are still wondering why. They are still thinking about it, still trying to, like completely, like come to conclusion as to why you're doing this. Okay, they want to know. Okay, and for many of you, they will ask. Okay, they will come forward. Top card we have is Page of Pentacles. For selected few of you, this person messaged you and you did not really react to them the way they wanted you to react, and that has kind of got them thinking. Okay, one more card in terms of their heart space. How do they feel about you? Wheel of Fortune. Why is the Wheel of Fortune here, square? Queen of Wands. So from your person is basically like a pendulum. They go from behaving like they're unbothered, not interested, or get lost from that zone to I love you, I want you, I want to be with you. They might not be saying it out loud, but right now their energy is that. They really, really want to be around you. They really want to possibly have you in their arms, God knows where exactly. Let them decide. But yeah, with Queen of Wands, I also see them very much thinking about you in a very sexual way, passionate way, like wanting to come forward, wanting to possibly meet you, greet you, and a lot of things, a lot of other things to you. But but with Seven of Wands, I see you guys having your guards up, walls up, not really letting them in, or not really giving them that freedom. Okay, in terms of their headspace, however, in terms of their headspace, we have the Hermit and the Reverse, which speaks about if this person chose to take a break from you or just went silent like they usually do, then they have plans of coming forward, returning back. Okay, top card we have is Knight of Swords, which is fast forward movement. Okay, in terms of their intention, what can you guys expect? Queen of Swords, you guys will definitely talk. Okay, that much I could tell you. Okay, in terms of what are they wanting, however. Oof. We have Four of Wands. That is, sorry for that. That is a date. Okay, this person actually wants to celebrate life with you. I do not know for what reason, but yes, with Three of Pentacles, they will willingly put in that effort, even if right now things are very stagnant and life is boring. Your love life, your other life is doing good. Then I see things going like forward and in a very fast way. Okay, in terms of what action I want to take towards you. This person will put in some serious efforts. Okay, we have the Tower, which usually I do not like, but here I see it as someone wanting to force the changes, and with the Star card, they want to get back on the same page as you. Okay, this is something serious and something very good. Okay, for so where things could be going for the next, let's take 7 to 8 days. However, you might not still accept their offer. I do not know for what reason, but I'm still getting that vibe where you are not wanting to do anything with them. Like Ten of Swords. Okay, with Four of Cups here, you will of selected few of you. I'm getting that storyline that you might take more time than usual to accept their offer. Like let's suppose they have this message coming that let's go out on, like on a date, or let's go meet somewhere for something, dinner or lunch maybe, and you might decide, should I or should I not? Okay, overall, where do we see this relationship going? I don't know why I'm getting the vibe that you might not be interested. I'm still getting Page of Pentacles in the reverse, which speaks about you not wanting to be a part of it, or you not wanting to put in that effort. Even if they come forward, and even if you end up messaging them, I still do not see you getting emotionally involved. It's like you have lost that interest towards them, like lost those emotions or feelings for them, and that's very weird. I know how that feels. I've been there, but it's like you still think about them, but you do not necessarily have those feelings for them. Okay, you consider them toxic or bad or devil. Okay, in terms of what's going to be the major blockages. Major blockage, we have Seven of Wands. So you creating distance or you maintaining distance. One more card. Second card we have is the Fool in the reverse. That unwillingness to take that risk or to take that jump. With Temperance card, if this person put you into a third party, you still remember all the pain that you have gone through, and you might not necessarily be open for compromise. Okay. In terms of Libra, who are single, wait for love messages. Okay. Libra who are single with Four of Pentacles are just keeping to themselves, like me, right? You guys are not really bothered about much what's happening with your past, present, or future. You guys are just holding on to yourself, holding on to your finances, just focused on making more money, maybe because you might feel that you are not making much, even if you have millions of dollars. Okay. Top card we have is Ace of Pentacles. So for the next couple of weeks, I see things going very well for you financially. You guys might be getting new offers or new opportunities to make more money. Bing bang. With Knight of Cups, I also see some of you possibly meeting another individual that could happen in another month, not so soon. Okay, so I get a few of you, if it's a new person, you guys are completely single, you guys might meet them in the month of August. Okay, so good for you. Overall for Libra, what to expect. With Two of Cups, I see you guys having someone in your life, or will be having someone in your life. With Eight of Wands, I see you busy. Okay, so I do not see you single at all. I see you getting attention. That is for certain. With Eight of Wands, traveling might also be involved. Okay, in terms of your finances, Libra. Finances, I do not know why you guys are not very much, like confident. Things are going to be looking good, you're going to be doing well. However, you might be having certain fears or doubts, but that is fine, that is part of life. But I see overall things going well for you. With Ace of Cups, you guys will be getting a lot of new opportunities to make more money. Some of you, it might also be a new job or a new business opportunity. Okay, in terms of signs, let's say sun sign, not sun sign, sorry, water sign. If Libras were dealing with water sign, what's to come for them? Justice card. So if you guys have not been doing anything wrong in this connection, and you guys have been very honest and very much balanced, then things could be getting back to normal. With the Judgment card, someone wants a second chance. If it's a water sign, if it's a fire sign, if it's a fire sign, this person is at a distance. If it's not physical, it's emotional. However, what to expect? Four of Swords. If it's a fire sign, this person is a lot distant than usual. So this person might take in a lot of time to come back. But the problem with with this individual is, if they come back, they'll come back for solid commitment. Otherwise, they won't be bothering you. Okay. If it's a air sign, Libra who are dealing with air sign, this person has kind of given up on you or had given up on you. However, how they'll be coming forward. Okay, air sign is someone you should not be trusting. Okay, I'm really sorry, because this person could be deceptive, or someone who gives you a bullshit to possibly get back to you. This person is very wishy-washy and might not be very much someone you should trust. Okay, in terms of, okay, so we've done water, we've done fire, we've done, okay, earth. So Libra, what dealing with earth sign. Okay, earth sign, one more card. So things have been one-sided with the earth sign. Things have not been going very much balanced. However, this person will give you a lot of attention this coming week. Okay, I see this person choosing you. So if you're dealing with water and earth, things are going to be going in your favor. Howsoever, the fire sign is a very honest person, but the person is emotionally distant, and the air sign is someone you need to look out for, because this person could be hiding a lot of bullshit behind their back that you have no idea about. I see lies, betrayal, and giving you all the sweet things so that you have a different picture of them. Okay, so in terms of love messages for Libra. Okay, for some of you, your person could have given you that idea that you are not their types and this might not work, but their heart loved, I mean, their heart still loves you, or they still feel belong to you, or they still feel that vibe with you. Okay, so this person is still looking at this in a different angle. Like, you are not usually my types, but I do not know why my heart still loves you. Okay, one more card. Okay, send me a dirty pic wanting sexting. For some of you, this person might want things to get sexual. Okay, dirty pictures and God knows what they want, but yeah, things might go in that direction. Okay, a weekend love, accept a message or confession. So this person might confess out of nowhere. Good for you. Do let me know. However, last message we have is. Uh, I do love you, but I don't see it working long term. So this person might be having doubts. Okay, so that could have been one of the reasons that this person was distant. And last message in the past. I mean, this is the past. Okay, there's too much risk with you. I got to let go everything behind. So this person could have had to leave something behind, or let go of a certain someone, or a job, or a family, in order to choose you. In terms of the next couple of weeks, what's to come for Libra and their soulmate. One last card. I am addicted to you. That is something I saw throughout the reading. Okay, so very good for you. For select few of you, this person chose you as an escape in the past, and they were not really looking forward towards commitment. However, things got messed up and they got addicted to you, right? But now I see it being more than just addiction. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for Libra. All that you need to know for the next, let's take 2 weeks. So it's going to be basically for like 8 to 10 days. So if it resonates, kindly hit the like button to let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And really subscribe. Okay, like I mean, more than 50% of you guys haven't subscribed yet, so that is really affecting my channel. And if you guys want a personal reading, I do have a discount going up. Also, just visit my website and book one for yourself. There are like 6 fucking options there. So yes, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.